வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே. இந்த வீடியோவில் இந்தியன் ரயில்வே இன்ஜினியரிங் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டில் எல்டிசி எக்ஸாமில் கேட்கக்கூடிய ரயில்வே ஜூனியர் இன்ஜினியர் ஃபார் பர்மனெண்ட் வே எக்ஸாமுக்கு கேட்கக்கூடிய மாடல் கொஷின்ஸில் ஸ்லீப்பர்ஸ் பற்றின டாபிக் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின், ஒய் ஸ்லீப்பர் ஸ்பேசிங் ஷுட் பி யூனிஃபார்ம் ஃபார் டூயிங் மெஷின் பேக்கிங்? How many sleepers are there in 1 kilometer if the sleeper spacing is 60 cm? 1660 ஸ்லீப்பர்ஸ் இருக்கும். How many sleepers are there in 1 kilometer if the sleeper spacing is 65 cm? 65 cm இருந்தால் 1540 ஸ்லீப்பர்ஸ் இருக்கும். How many sleepers are there in 1 kilometer if sleeper spacing is 76 cm? அப்படின்னா 1310 ஸ்லீப்பர்ஸ் இருக்கும். வாட் இஸ் த லென்த் ஆஃப் ப்ராட் கேஜ் ட்ராக் ஸ்லீப்பர்? 9 feet. வாட் இஸ் த வெயிட் ஆஃப் ஒன் ப்ராட் கேஜ் ட்ராக் ஸ்லீப்பர்? 285.4 kg. வாட் இஸ் த நேம் ஆஃப் அயான் ஃபிக்ஸட் இன் த பிஎஸ்சி ஸ்லீப்பர்? இன்செட். Is the top level of the PSC sleeper is uniform? It is not uniform. What is slope given on the top of the concrete sleeper? 1/20 slope. What is the name of the normal sleeper used in the track? Pre-stressed concrete sleeper. If the sleeper's density is m+8, then how many sleepers are there? There are 1 kilometer. 1660 sleepers. If the sleeper density is m+7, then how many sleepers are there in? There are 1 kilometer. 1540 sleepers. அதாவது m+7 65 cm spacing இருக்கும். If the sleeper density is m+4, then how many sleepers are there in 1 kilometer? 1310 sleepers. What is the spacing to given for joint sleepers? Normal spacing as provided in other location. What is to be observed while packing sleepers? Packing should be done another rail sheet. How the sleepers should be handled? It should be handled with a rail hook. What is the distance between inset in 60 kg sleepers? 161 mm. What are all the rails can be fixed in 60 kg sleeper? 60 kg rail, 52 kg rail, 90R rail. What is the correct gauge in concrete sleepers? 1673 mm. What is the life of the concrete sleepers? 50 to 60 years. How the sleeper spacing is marked in curves? Marked on the outside rails of the curve. What is with at the top of concrete sleepers? 150. Is the height of the concrete sleeper is uniform? No, it is not uniform. What is mean by PSC 12 concrete sleeper? PSC 12 means sleeper used for 52 kg rails. What is mean by PSC 14 concrete sleeper? PSC 14 means sleepers used for 60 kg rails. How much length to be opened on inside of the rail for throw packing? 18 inches to be opened on inside of the rail for throw packing. How much length to be opened on outside of the rail for throw packing? Up to sleepers end to be opened on outside of the rail for throw packing. What will happen if the sleeper is out of square? Cage will become tight if the sleeper is out of square. How he out of square sleepers are marked? The direction of adjusting the sleeper should be marked with arrow mark. Where T4148A sleepers are used in level crossing. Where T4149 sleepers are used in SEJ. Which location the breakage of concrete sleepers are dangerous? The breakage of concrete sleepers are dangerous if it is broken at the rail seat. What action should be taken if continuous sleepers are broken at the center? Speed restriction to be imposed. How sleepers are on approach of the bridge? 9 sleepers. What are all the fittings used in concrete sleepers for fixing rails? Rubber pad, liner, ERC. What is the name of the clip used in concrete sleepers? ERC clip, elastic rail clip. What is the thickness of ERC? The thickness of ERC 20.64 mm. How the length of the clip should be while driving ERC? The leg of the ERC should be on flush with the inset. What is the name of the load extracted by clip over the rail seat? The name of the load extracted by clip over the rail seat is called tow load. What is the normal tow load? 850 to 1150 kgs. What is name of the machine used for measuring tow load? The tow load machine. What is the thickness of liner used for 52 kg rail on 52 kg sleepers? 6 mm. What is the thickness of the liner used for 60 kg rail and 52 kg sleepers? 6 mm. Where composite liners are used for 60 kg sleeper, 52 kg rail. What is the color of composite liner? Green and yellow. On which side green color liners are used? On outside of rails. Why grooves is given in the rubber pad? Groove is given in the rubber pad to drain out rainwater. What is the thickness of rubber pad? 6 mm. Which prevents the rubber pad from getting away from sleepers? The horns on the ends of rubber pad. What are all the type of liners used? GFN liners and metal liners. Where GFN liners are used in station limits. What normal intervals of measuring tow load? Every 4 years, once in 100 sleepers. What is the interval of measuring tow load in corrosion prone area? Once in 2 years. What will happen if the rubber pad are wrung out and thickness is reduced? The load will be reduced. What is the type of grease used for greasing of ERC? IS 408 1981 GRO grease used. What is the thickness of rail screw? 22 mm. What is the use of ballast in railway track? It fills up the inequalities in the formation. It transfer and distribute the load over wider area of formation. It acts as elastic bed and level foundation for the sleepers. It gives longitudinal and lateral support to the track. It gives efficient drainage. What is the slope given in the formation? 1 in 30 and 1 in 40 slope. What is the use of giving slope in formation? Slope is given for easy draining out of water. What is the minimum depth of ballast required for machine packing? 150 mm. What is the normal depth of ballast below sleepers? 350 mm. What is the width of ballast on shoulder? 350 mm. What is the width of ballast on outside of curve? 500 mm. What is the slope of the ballast in track? 1.5:1 slope. What is the slope given for formation? 2:1 slope. What is the normal size of ballast used in track? 18 mm, 40 mm, 65 mm size. What is the normal width of chess in railway track? 900 mm. What is the width of formation for single line broad gauge? 6850 broad gauge. What are all the tests conducted for? Impact test, abrasion test, water absorption test. What will happen if the ballast is caked up? Rainwater will stagnate in the track. Running will be rough. What is the period of deep screening of ballast? Once in 10 years. What is the speed restriction record for deep screening of ballast? 20 km per hour. What are all the points to observe while unloading ballast from wagon? Ballast should be unloaded uniformly. Ballast train should not be stopped while unloading. The hopper should be operated as per the instruction of supervisor in charge in the ballast train. Excess ballast in the track should be cleared before allowing normal traffic. How the ballast requirement is calculated? One rail length for each kilometer is screened without distributing the packing, and the ballast requirement is assessed. What is to be observed during rain in the yard? During rain, the natural waterway in the yard should be observed and the correct drainage should be formed in the yard. What does it mean? There is longitudinal crack on the chest. It means there is expansion and contraction on the formation. What is the interval at which the platform struts are provided? 30 meters.